Hey sis, it's your girl and I'm back with another one. So in this video, I'm going to be installing a lace frontal. This is an ear-to-ear deep wave. I got this lace from Amazon Prime for only $109. Yes sis, $109. This is a 20-inch deep wave. It is so pretty. And I'm going to show you some of the process. I didn't show you the full process because first of all, this is my first time installing an ear-to-ear lace frontal, so I wanted to try to practice, make sure I had it perfect. So some of the things I could not get on camera, but I promise you in the next video I will show you a detailed video of how I install my lace frontal. So right here I am using my hot comb to try to lay the hair as flat as possible. This is the way to make sure your lace is as flat as possible. So I am just running it through the hair as much as possible to get it laid flat. So like I said, I did not show you everything, but so as you see, I've already cut the lace. So what I'm doing is blending in the lace to my skin. So I'm using concealer and I'm also using a foundation closest to my skin complexion. And I'm just going to keep blotting that in and blending it until it blends in with my skin. Then I'm going to add the Ebonine, I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing that right, freeze spray, and it works so good. It held my lace. I wore this on the day before the 4th of July and it was hot and we were outside for a cookout and my lace did not lift at all. So this hairspray works so well. You don't have to add the Ghost Bond or anything like that, just this hairspray. You can also add the gel. They have a gel in the same brand, and I used that also the next day, the gel. But you can use the gel or the hairspray. You can use both. It just depends on your preferences, whatever works best for you. So it's best to blow dry the hairspray after you've applied it to make sure that it's tacky. I did not blow dry it in this round, but the next round I did blow dry it. But I did spray twice before I laid the lace down. So while I'm waiting on the lace to set into my skin, I am just using the hot comb again to lay my lace. I just want it to lay as flat as possible, and I'm just hot combing the roots. I just want the roots to lay as flat as possible because this is a deep wave hair, so I don't need to comb through my whole head, just the roots. So I will make sure to leave a link in the description box to the vendor that I got this hair from. Again, I got it from Amazon Prime for only $109. And this hair is really pretty. It's so nice. It's shiny when you add your water and your creams to it. It's just a beautiful curl. So I just added water to the hair to make it look wet and wavy, and that is the length. It is 20 inches long. Alright, so what I did not show on camera was I did add some more foundation to the front of the frontal, and there it is. It is blending in with my skin. It looks really good. I am giving skin, sis. No screen doors over here. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go.